Meet Pip, our playful parrot with giant balloon. He puffs, cheeks rounder. Balloon grows bigger, filling screen. Oh no, too big. Whoosh! Balloon slips from Pip's grasp, floats high. Pip flaps comically, squawking, legs kicking air. Balloon bobs in hilarious aerial pursuit. Mischievous monkey Milo swings in, leaps with tail towards balloon. Together they jump and stretch to reach it. Grab it, pop. Balloon bursts confetti. Pip and Milo tumble, giggle, and laugh in sparkles. Fun adventure. Join Pip and Milo for more fun. Subscribe to Cartoon Masty.